What is up, YouTube? HappyKid22 back at you with another video. Today we are doing a walkthrough of everything I got. Everything's out of order because I'm packing stuff up for some demos and show this weekend. So, just getting show ready. Serve some cakes. Cake, crown cake, corn dog, cake ass, Warface, third base. If you know, you know. Little ladybugs. Tron logo, 200 shot. Masters. Two candles. Beautiful horizon. You'd see life logos. Mix of rocket bugs, fastballs, potatoes, pintails, big boys. Sponge. Some double. Looking at jungle. Finisher 3-inch bullshit. Wampin willow. Should be a wampin in this box as well. Somewhere. KO shows. These double breaks are old but nice. Some single shots. Like I said, I'm packing stuff up for a show this weekend, so yeah, that's why you'll see doubles of stuff. It's the same 49 shot cake as over here, as well as that black one is the same one. That's right there. Cat bugs of hot cocks, 2 boxes of Hitman, chrysanthemum, these are the good spinning ground blooms, loud report, eco plasters. These ones are modified still. Should be a little louder. Fountains. Little ball shells. Some more helicopters. Wish I got shit all over this. Panda cake. Yeah, pretty decent stash this year. Bunch of little knickknacks. Some other shit. Yes, it is. Massive. Girandola. Stickless rockets. KO shells. Yep. Well, can't forget these. think I'm missing anything. Bag kids stuff. No shells, got ball shells, double deck shells. Should be one color, one boom. Got a box of these should be double jeopardy. There's a couple double play, willow shells, zombie shell, Simpson shell. Yep. Oh. Can't forget the coconut bombs. There's another bag of those. And there's more coconut bombs. Jimmy cookies. That is the full stash.